Hi guys, this is Perek from simplepagetips.com. In this video I'm going to talk about AI Lead Gen, a new software that has been launched today by Venkatesh Kumar and Vis. And I know that if you watch this video, you already saw this product, you saw the sales page, and now you need to decide that if you want to buy this software, and it's really something that's going to make you good for your business, good for your email list, or from the other end, if this is just a waste of time and money. And I promise you that after this video, so you know exactly what to do, and I hope that I can make you a little bit sense about software like one payment autoresponder, okay? So this is the main dashboard. They promise us that we don't need software like GetResponse anymore because it costs us hundreds of dollars, okay? Aweber more than $800 per year, GetResponse $700 per year, MailChimp $660 per year. And now if you're only going to pay $16 one-time fee, it can replace those big guys, okay? By the way, there's also a coupon that you can get it for $5 less, and it's going to cost you about 11 or 12 bucks, something like that. Now, they also promise us on their main sales page that you log in inside their software, you upload your list, and start making money. Now, I'm going to jump to the software. So what you can see here, this is the main dashboard of the software. And inside the menu, you have, in the manage, you have five options. If you go to the first one, the integration, you can choose to put your account from Facebook or Google or Microsoft inside your social app. So I'm going to Facebook, I click add new, but nothing going to happen, and also Google and you. Nothing going to happen. It's supposed to get from here to this side. And this is the first bug that I found in the software. Unless I missed something, but for me it's a little bug here. Then you have the campaign and the links. We came for the autoresponders, yeah? But what both of them does, it's very simple, and I'm going to show you from the links area. In the links, you're going to build this option for someone to get inside your website. If someone going to get inside your website with Google or Twitter or Facebook, so they're going to automatically get inside your autoresponder, okay? But really, I can't understand how you can put this inside your website. And if you are looking for sending autoresponder, I don't think that this part really going to help you, or you're going to use both of them, not the campaigns and not the links. It's just very, for me, it's just useless features, okay? Because every website builder out there has this option of login with your Facebook account, an email account, or a LinkedIn account. So for me, it's just a waste of time. Here you can see all the leads that you have, the copywriter part. It's very, very basic. You have blog ideas, blog writing, business idea, post idea, Google ads, social ads. Once again, I want to send email to my email list. I cannot see how this part can help me in some way or another, and I'm going to use ChatGPT or some, and to put my personal attachment inside my emails. I'm not going to use this one. This is very, very basics, okay? So all of these, as I can see, it's nothing important. In the training area, they give you 7 minutes of training with no explanation, just a little bit background, that you cannot learn anything for this training, unfortunately. You see? for me, it's a useless training. And if you put a useless training, I guess that also the software is kind of, but and these guys, I don't have the option to get inside this. This is the send unlimited emails, because if you push this one, you get to another software that you can put your email password and log in. I don't get any access to this. Maybe you get an access if you buy the software for $12, and then you can send email from this part. This, I know that this is the most interesting stuff, but I must stop here and then go, and I want to explain you something, okay? And listen carefully. There are several reasons why it may be better to pay a monthly fee for an autoresponder rather than opting for a cheap one-time payment option. And I want to tell you the reason why you cannot go into cheap, and you cannot get cheap on your autoresponder and your list, because this is the main and the most important assets that you get as an affiliate marketing. The first one, this is reliable service. Autoresponder services that charge a monthly fee often have more resources to maintain and improve their services. They may have better servers, more reliable email delivery, better customer support. So you cannot take a software like GetResponse with their hundreds of employees and put it on the same line like AI lead gen put inside their sales page, that they don't have maybe they have customer support. They're not going to make you upgrades, I guess, in the future, because the owner of the software have like tens of other software, because this is the way they make money, unfortunately. And me, in the past, I bought also one-time fee autoresponder in the past, and after a few months it just stopped working. And this, unfortunately, I guess this is what's going to happen with this one too, okay? The second one, why you should pay monthly fee for autoresponder. This is the advanced feature, because a monthly fee often gives you the access to more advanced features that is so important for you to automate your email marketing campaigns. For example, you may be able to segment your email list, set up A/B testing, track your email and open rates, and click-through rates. These features can help you optimize your email marketing and get better results, okay? And don't remember the constant updates. Paid autoresponder services that charge a monthly fee are more likely to constantly update and improve their services, okay? And maybe the last one, better security. Autoresponder services that charge a monthly fee often take security more seriously than the cheaper option. They may have more advanced security measures in place to protect your email list. And of course, data from hackers and other security threats. This can give you peace of mind knowing that your email list is safe and secure. So don't go cheap on your autoresponder. It's so important to have a reliable source, because your main assets inside the affiliate marketing is your email list. Don't get cheap on this, okay? So that's it, guys. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, okay? Give me a like, and I see you in the next video. Thank you and have a great night.